Hey guys, it's the Flippin Hippo. Thank you for joining us on our channel at Flippin Hippos. Today's Saturday, so I hope you guys are out there at the yard sales finding some great deals. I'm going to show you a little bit of what we found last week at the yard sales. We got a lot of plush. We got a lot of stuff last weekend, but we hit the jackpot on plush. One of the yard sales we went to, we pulled up, and they had like tarps all over their lawn. Like 4 different tarps just piled with plushies and stuffed animals. And I could see a couple from the car were Disney, and I got excited. So I ran over. Oh my gosh, this guy had Disney plush, Hard Rock Cafe Bears, and the Boyds Bears. Like, that was it. It was one of those 3 things, or it wasn't worth it. So I asked him how much he was asking for his plush, and he said, well, make me an offer. I'm doing a fundraiser for my kid's soccer team, or t-ball, or whatever. It was the sport. And I said, well, I really just want to wipe you out. Like, I want it all. And so he brought me this great big box. I can't even show it to you. Yeah, it's big. It's giant. I had the kids set it up on a chair here for me so I could show you guys what's inside. So he gave me this big box. He brought it out. He put it on the lawn. I filled it up. I offered him $20 for everything inside, and he countered with $25, and I said sold. There's like 33 plush in there, give or take. I know, I remember counting them last weekend. It came out to 75 cents a piece. So there's like 33 of them. So I'm just going to quickly show you each one. I don't want to make like too long of a video just about plush, but also these 2 guys I'm going to show you I found on Sunday at the Goodwill. This is a very big, very cute Pooh Bear lying on his side or on his belly. And for those of you that don't know, there is a movie coming out in August called Christopher Robin, and Ewan McGregor stars in it as Christopher Robin, all grown up, who revisits the 100-acre wood and all of his friends there. So I'm kind of like okay with paying up for Winnie the Pooh and Friends right now. I'm stocking up on my Winnie the Pooh plush because when the movie comes out, people are going to be looking for it. They're going to get, their popularity will go up again, I guess is what I'm trying to say. So this is a pretty large Pooh as well. I also paid $1.99 for him. And those were on last Sunday at the Goodwill. Now, I'm just going to show you what's in this box. There's 3 monkeys in here that didn't come from the guy who let me fill the box for $25. These were down the street. We went to a couple like big community neighborhood sales, and the lady let me have all 3 of these for 50 cents. They are the Classic Toy Company. So that was a deal. So everything else that I'm going to show you now was put in the box that the guy let me have for $25 for all of them. There is the Eeyore Moose, and I already have one of him in my store. I just listed last week, so he'll be easy. I'll just change the quantity. A more classic kind of Pooh Bear. A little Pooh Bear in a Santa suit with cute little Santa slippers. There was an M&M's bear. I have never seen one of these before, but he's official M&M's. He's got a coat on. He's kind of cute. This is a Boyds Bear. Another Boyds Bear. A Hard Rock Cafe from Atlantic City. He moves, so he's jointed. That's pretty cool. A way classic Winnie the Pooh. This is a baby toy, it's a rattle, but it's really a classic look Pooh. I got a white tiger with a white Pooh. And a white Eeyore, and they all have on blue sweaters and hats. And they're themed. I will most likely be selling these in a lot. I'm probably thinking like $75 for all three, free ship. The white ones, if you ever see the white ones, grab them. They are definitely harder to find, more sought after, and when you look at the comps, you can ask for a little bit more for the white ones. There was a Lilo from Lilo and Stitch. Another Winnie the Pooh. This one's kind of a big one. A Boyds Bear, Mom and Me. Can you guys see that? I have absolutely no depth perception. Here's a Tiger and like a little snowman outfit with the slippers on his shoes. I will probably sell him with the Pooh that had the Santa slippers on. I'll probably sell them together in a lot. Here's a little Pooh that makes music. You can't see it because of my photo lights, but his nose lights up. Here's a Winnie the Pooh conductor. The little train conductor hat and the little train. He's not a Boyds Bear, but he's a March of Dimes bear. I figured I'd just throw him in the box. I found this little sock monkey with reindeer antlers. He is nothing too special, but I figured if I was filling up the box, right? And sock monkeys I've always done well with, even ones that are generic. They don't sit for very long. I guess there's sock monkey collectors out there, and ones like this that are more unique I will grab. This is another Hard Rock Cafe from Atlantic City. Here's a Hard Rock Cafe bear from Las Vegas. This one is black, so he shows all the fuzz. I'll have to lint roll him before I put him in the store. There's a little Hard Rock polar bear from Niagara Falls wearing some sunglasses. It's pretty cute. Another March of Dimes bear. This one's a female in a dress. I'll probably do these two together. And that's one thing I would suggest doing, like I have the Winnie the Pooh and the Tigger in pajamas with the slippers, and I have these guys, and I have the 3 white ones. Whenever you can lot plushies together, I do recommend it. You can save on shipping, and you could charge a little bit more, obviously, because you have more than one. But sometimes the collectors will go after a lot before they would go after a single one because they're getting more. They're getting 3 or 2 rather than just 1 for their collection. So if somebody, say, like collected these bears and searched on eBay for her and then saw that I had them up and they don't have him either, they would be more likely to buy it. This is a little Boyds Bear wrapped in a little heart. I guess he's a Valentine's Day theme. We have a Hershey's chocolate bear. Hard Rock Cafe from Baltimore. He's another little black one, so I will probably have to lint roll him. Now all the Hard Rock Cafe bears I will put up as individually, not in lots. There may be some collectors out there who like all the Hard Rock stuff, but a lot of times when people are looking for something from the Hard Rock Cafe, they're specifically looking for somewhere that they have been before or they have been on vacation. And so if you put, say, Las Vegas and Baltimore together, I think you're less likely to sell that lot, because if someone specifically wants one from Vegas, they're not going to buy your lot because they don't want the one from Baltimore. So things that are like city specific or like souvenirs or touristy, I tend to not lot unless I had 2 from Vegas that were similar but not exactly the same. So if I had like a white one from Vegas and a black one from Vegas, I might lot them together because they're the same city. Here's a white one. That one's from Hollywood. I have a tie-dye green and blue from Philadelphia. I have another black one, Atlantic City. So I'll have 3 that I have to lint roll real good. Black plushie is just, it's black clothing in general and black plushies. Ugh, just the lint rolling. It shows everything, all the fuzz and everything. This says be naughty and save Santa a trip. It is a Boyds Bear. You can see they're starting to pile up here. And then we have a Boyds Bear in a knit outfit with a hood and footies. It's real cute. Little hat. And another little Boyds. This one's a rabbit. Looks like he's inside of like an Easter egg. And this is the last one, guys. This one was so cute. I almost missed him. When we were filling up the box, he was under like a generic teddy bear. But I am glad I moved the bear and saw him. It is a little piglet with bunny ears and three little eggs on his shirt. Sweater, there's a sweater. So he's really cute. And that is the last and final tip I'll tell you guys today in this video. Even with licensed characters, if you find them that are themed for a specific holiday or unique, I always recommend grabbing them up. I'm sure that, you know, the Pooh Bears are a dime a dozen on eBay. Now, I will still pick them up, but you're going to find your run-of-the-mill. I'm kind of trying to find one to show you. He's really big. But the smaller versions of Pooh that look just like this, they're everywhere. And I still will pick them up. But like if you find one like mine with the train and the train conductor hat, or geared specifically for Easter, or dressed up, or for Valentine's Day, even the really, really popular Disney characters and other licensed characters, if you pass up on them normally, I would say if you find them in little outfits or themed for a holiday, definitely don't pass up on them. The more unique ones do often flip faster and for more money. So, this moose is cute, isn't he? So let me know down below what you think about my nice little plush haul I got last week at the yard sales. And I will be back tomorrow with part 2 of our haul. I didn't want to do like a 45-minute video with all the plush and everything. So I'll be back tomorrow to show you guys some of the clothing and stuff we got. And let me know down below what you found. Have you found any really amazing plush? Did you guys find great yard sales? Whatever you want to say down there. I like to hear it. Do me a favor, smash the like button if you would, and if you haven't already and you would like to, please subscribe to our channel and help us feed a hungry hippo. You can find us on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. We are at Flippin' Hippos. Until next time, you guys have a good night.